Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at gold as price heads towards the $1,700 level. So just taking a look at the currency and commodity heat map, we can see here gold for the year. And just looking through March, we typically see gold fall quite significantly before a short-term rally through April. So looking at this, it suggests that we could see a little bit of downside to the gold market. And what we've been looking at a lot recently is the fact that the weekly is in this overall sort of bearish retracement phase. If we look at the sort of monthly time scale, we can almost see that it's a bit of a sort of monthly pullback with price likely to come into some key areas of interest, and $1,700 is a nice area to have a little look at with gold, especially looking at these sort of weeks that we've seen most recently. Last week was a strong bearish week again, with the dollar being one of the stronger currencies, and we can see that from the daily time frame. It's really nice trend forming here with the market forming lower highs and lower lows. So I'm expecting that to continue until price kind of hits that $1,700 level. So what I'm looking for this week is if price can pull back into some previous structure lows and continue to push lower, that'll be a really good opportunity then to look to short down to 1,700. So what I'm expecting is price to pull back a little bit into the previous structure lows. Really nice area for a breakout as well that we've seen recently, because we thought that the market here may end up continuing to the upside a little bit early on. However, $1,700 was our overall area that was most ideal for us to look for any kind of buying to come back in. So looking at that and going to the 4-hour time frame, what I would expect is what we've been talking about a lot recently, is when the market goes into an impulse phase, you see the 4-hour making lower lows and lower highs. Now obviously we've had quite an aggressive move last week on gold, breaking through those lows. So what I'm looking for ideally is a pullback on the daily time frame. Low ranging candles would be really nice to see, which would lead to a sort of short-term uptrend on the 4-hour time frame for price to hit the resistance area of the previous structure lows, where with price found support numerous times, and then look for that continuation of the trend for another move lower. That'll be my ideal move on gold. Keep an eye on this trend trading opportunity going into this week. If price hits 1,700, then I'd wait for a similar sort of pullback into this area. We may get one more move into that area before we see any kind of continuation or a reversal setup. Keep an eye on gold, one to watch this week, and I'll speak to you in the next video.